Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is Tuesday, July 12, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, they are flying higher again. Futures are up 10.25 points to 2140 and a half per contract. This is another sharp rally here. You can see right around 1 o'clock in the morning, futures took off to the upside, and they've been hovering right at the highs all morning long. So again, futures trading up another 10 points this morning. Are we getting to overbought levels? Are we getting into resistance? We are making new all-time highs on the S&P 500 today. Where does it end? Does it just break out and keep going? That's the million-dollar question. And again, we're going to look at individual names today, and that'll tell us where we can make some money. But in the meantime, futures are trading higher. Let's start off with Alcoa. Even though this is not a market bellwether, the stock closed at $10.14 yesterday. They reported earnings after the closing bell. They basically are the kickoff announcement for earnings. And right now, you're going to see the stock trading at $10.60. So, decent little pop. I wouldn't really look for much upside. If this stock does happen to make its way to $11, I do think that's a potential short level. I don't know if it'll get up there, but $11, I would be looking to fade it. I would be looking to short it. So again, pattern pending, obviously, but keep that $11 level on the radar for Alcoa this morning. Now, in surprise news, you got Seagate Technologies really getting a pop here. Looks like they're doing some kind of restructuring, but they guided higher. The stock closed yesterday at $24.09. It's trading at $27.53. So that's a great pop higher for the disk drive maker. I am seeing resistance generally in this area. I'm going to say around this 27.50 area, you're going to have pretty good resistance, maybe 27.65. So I would not look for much more upside in Seagate today. But hey, you never know. Stock is showing some pretty good strength this morning. In sympathy to Seagate, you're going to look at Western Technologies. That's ticker symbol WDC. That closed at $49.48. That's trading up to $51.65 on the back of the Seagate Technology news. So again, WDC, both disk drive makers, and STX both moving higher. STX guiding higher this morning. Where do I see big resistance on this one? I'm going to say this could have pretty good resistance around 55.50, although it is starting to uptrend now. But watch that level if it does get up there today. Let's take a look at Fastenal. FAST is the ticker symbol here. They had earnings. Stock right now is trading down around $43, closed at $45.35. The only level that interests me for Fastenal today is $40. It gets there, I will be a buyer. So $40, stock gets there, you can look for a bounce at that level. Keep 40 on the radar. Next up, we have Xerox, and looks like they have come out with some news that they could be potentially merging with RRD, which is RR Donnelley. And what you're going to see here is RR Donnelley is trading around $20 a share right now. XRX, which is Xerox, trading around $9.72. I have no idea if this is a true story or not, but it looks like those two are in merger talks. You could check out the news for yourself. When I look at the stock right now, Xerox probably has upside to around $10.31. So if you own it here, I would just simply trail the stop loss. If you want to own it, let it give you a little bit more of a bullish pattern, then you could jump on board. This is something that we will take a look at once the opening bell rings in the intraday stock chat room. So if you want to come over and trade with us, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we are doing in there. As far as RRD goes, which is RR Donnelley, right now that is trading at $20. I think this is already overbought, and there should be very good resistance around 20.25, 20.50. So again, keep that on the radar for later today. Now we do have some other stocks that are making a little bit of a move. IMPV, it looks like they had earnings. I think it was earnings. Check out the news for yourself. The stock is trading at $45.81, closed at $48.14. So this is getting hit. In the same space, I think Palo Alto might be down a little bit in sympathy, not really getting hit too much off that news. Looking over at another equity here, SAGE, looks like they're up on some drug news. This is Sage Therapeutics. Stock right now is trading at $47.66. It closed yesterday at $33.65. So this is a huge pop. If you own it, trail the stop loss. Your ultimate upside upside is around $50. So it gets to 50, I would be looking to shave something off the table here, or at least trail the stop loss real tight. But that is a great move for SAGE. Taking a look at the European stocks. Deutsche Bank, great pop today. Stock is trading above $14. That's a key level right there. 14.10 to be exact this morning. Stock closed at 13.30. So that's a huge move for Deutsche Bank percentage-wise. Great pop there. We also have Credit Suisse catching a little bit of a bid here. Also LYG, which is Lloyd Group. That's another bank in London. That is trading at 303, closed at 287. So you're seeing all of the European financial stocks catching a bid. UBS is another one. You can see a nice little pop there. That's at 1283, closed at 1251. But Deutsche Bank is the most important of them all, and that is catching a big bid this morning ahead of the opening bell. All right, let's turn our attention now to gold. Gold is trading down $8.30. Make that $8 right now to $1,348 an ounce. If we take a look at the GLD, you're going to see that is trading at 128.65. So gold continues to slump a little bit, pulling back, but you never know how that's going to react in the morning. Overall, it is an overbought condition on the daily chart. Let's take a look at crude oil. Crude oil futures are trading up by $1.14 to $45.90. So when you take a look at the USO, what you're going to see here is that is trading at $10.99. It closed at $10.65 yesterday. So this is a good little move higher. And again, crude oil definitely coming into some support levels yesterday with the sell-off that I seen. So not a shocker to see crude oil make a bid to the upside today. It definitely hit some pretty decent daily chart support yesterday. All right, we're going to leave it there. And again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on, take the 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You get to see our desktops. You get to see everything that we are doing live. And you get to trade right alongside of us. So again, we've had a great 2016. We're going to look to keep that going again today. We want to wish you all a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.